Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a tour of the Melrose Hill bypass. Now there's a lot of construction going on here because this is a part of Highway 2000 and this is part of the section that's running from the Maypen roundabout to the Williamsfield roundabout. So the highway is going to incorporate the Melrose Hill bypass. So the bypass is going to be converted into 4 lanes. It's going to be a dual carriageway with a Jersey barrier in the middle. Basically, it's being converted into a highway. So we're taking a look at the construction that's going on. And this is actually the last part of Highway 2000. The entire project from Maypen to Mandeville is over 90% complete. It's just this section now that's left to be completed. And the road should be opened in August of this year, August 2023. And when everything is completed, you can drive from Kingston to Mandeville in 40 minutes. So we are going to show you a section of the road that is finished to give you an idea of what's going on. Straight ahead now is the actual highway, and this highway is going to go from the Maypen roundabout to Clarendon Park. The highway is going to run along the Maypen bypass. Then from Clarendon Park to where we are now, the highway is going to go over the hill. So this is a section of the highway that comes out and connects back to the Melrose Hill bypass, and then from the Melrose Hill bypass it goes into Williamsfield. As you can see, this section of the road is finished. Of course, you know, they block it off so you can't drive on it, but you can walk on it, so that's what we're going to do. So the highway is going to come here and then go over here and then come out and merge with the Melrose Hill bypass up the top. So it's just so where we are now, this section is actually going to be a ramp to go on and off the highway. Because remember, the Melrose Hill bypass, even though it's been upgraded to be a part of the highway, you don't have to pay to use that section. So the Melrose Hill bypass will still run from Porus to Williamsfield. But if you want to go from the Melrose Hill bypass onto the highway, you take one of these roads that you see here, and you can also exit. By next week we'll have the drone up and running again, maybe even over the weekend, and we will definitely get some nice videos of this road. We'll keep you guys updated as to what's going on. I'm going to try and make videos of this road every 2 weeks until it's finished to keep everybody updated.